Friends, this is again very important topic, that is governing of hydroelectric power station. Now, what is governing? So let me tell you, let us study some background. We know load on the power station doesn't remain constant because the requirement of all customers never remains same, isn't it? So that load on the power station is always fluctuating. I have taught you already in the class. Now with respect to this, the turbo generator set will also at different speed. But is it desirable to allow to run turbo generator set at different or varying speed? So reason is no, because we know that formula NS, that's a synchronous speed, is equal to 120 F by P. You know all the parameters well. So what is the synchronous speed? It is that speed at which the turbo generator set need to run at constant speed. Okay. And why it is required? It is required to generate a constant frequency of power generation. Now suppose this frequency of power generation varies. So all the equipments which are connected to that power will burn out. Okay? I mean, they will not function, because we know every state they generate power with different frequency. India, we are generating power with 50 Hz. However, America, you know, it is generating at 60 Hz, isn't it? So this is clear that the irrespective of the load coming on the power station, that the turbo generator set must run, it is not should, it's a must run at constant speed. Now is it not the challenge to the power generation engineer? Yes, because that the outside condition, that the load coming on the power station is outside condition, that's not in the control of engineer. But still this generation engineer has to run the turbo generators at constant speed. So how it is achieved? So this speed, constant speed, is achieved with the help of this governor. What figure you are seeing here, it's a mechanical governor. With this we can generate, or we can allow to rotate the turbo generator speed at constant velocity. So you can see this is the beautiful sketch of mechanical governor, which consists of this governor, then this is a oil sump, here it's a relay valve, and this is a servo mechanism. Okay, we will explain. So first we understand two conditions. For example, say load on the power station is decreased. So what will happen to the turbo generator speed? It will increase. Just see the analogy. For example, our bike, we are running the bike. If the load on the bike is decreased, so automatically speed increases, and vice versa. If load on the power bike is increased, so speed will decrease, isn't it? So it is clear now that as per the load, turbo generator speed will either increase or decrease. So just consider now one condition, that load on the power station is increased. So what will happen? The turbo generator speed will try to decrease. Now what we will require now? We will need to supply more fluid so that the power, that the rotational speed will be increased. Right? So here you can see, here it's a sphere. Okay, so this complete mechanism is acting in accordance with the turbo generator speed. So this shaft is connected to the turbo generator speed. Okay, you can see here these are the balls connected. Here it's a pin joint. Okay, just like our hand is there. So depending upon the speed of turbo generator, okay, these balls will be either coming towards the center line or will go away from the center line, isn't it? Because of centrifugal force acting on this. So our condition we have considered, the load on the power station is increased. Okay, so speed will decrease. Okay, when the speed of the turbo generator is decreased, so what will happen? These balls will try to come towards the center. Now because of this motion, you will find this sleeve will be lifted up. The sleeve will be lifted up. Here there is a fulcrum. So this end will lift up, this end will move down. So because of this, what will happen? You will find, okay, this portion will come down. This pump is continuously pumping the fluid, but here the passage will block and this passage will open. So fluid will be flowing like this, and like this, and you will find it will close down the passage. Okay, and reverse happens when the fluid flowing through the turbine will be reduced and the speed automatically will be decreased. Okay, next condition, अदिति थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज है.